Okay, I just want to tell to to Patrick Eason and Jardino. Jardino, I am saying to you, even you, Patrick Eason, both of you do not know what is corruption in the Philippines. Like I said to both of you see what happened in flood control. In, for example, Bulacan, Pampanga. You see what happened to my best friend Jens Manaid, who was affected in flood control, who was known that he knows about in Pampanga, San Fernando. Jens got experience when there is a flood in Pampanga. Why there is a flood? Because it's from Bulacan. Bulacan and Pampanga had share lots of things. They have a ghost project or nepo babies. And also, for example, the flood control ghost project. I say to you, Patrick Quezon, Jardino, both of you should be listened to Carl Bilus, Matthew Timbal, Miggy Labitag, Teacher Jessa Fernandez, Teacher Ruti Barrientos, even the mother of Matthew Timbal, Ate Mel Estorque. Both of you don't know about the flood control ghost project. Oh, you don't know what is a flood control ghost project? Let me ask you something, Patrick Quezon. Who started the flood control in Pampanga, Bulacan, and Ilocos Norte in the DPWH? It was Bongbong Marcos. Bongbong Marcos is involved of flood control ghost project of corruption. Here's the one thing I could say to both of you. Stop praising the Marcoses. They're useless. They don't know about corruption. Like I said before, they don't know about corruption. When I heard that before, from, for example, from my friends there, I said that there is lots of corruption in the Philippines. And you know it. You know, when there is corruption, there is corruption. The corruption was started during the administration of Bongbong Marcos. He abolished the Presidential Anti-Corruption Commission. This is what the start of the flood control ghost project. Incompletely. Quezon City, incompletely. Like I said, yeah, I just wanna say to both of you, yan ang lumala, ang may baha. Oh, that's what I said. You know, I say to Jardino and Patrick Quezon, listen to Carl Bilus, listen to Matthew Timbal. We do not know about corruption in the Philippines. Look at in the US. US is a federalism, no corruption. Philippines has being a corrupt country. We are being worse than Israel. We are worse than Cambodia. We are worse than Mexico. Is this what you like for all of those idiot Marcos loyalists? You do not know what is corruption in the Philippines? I say to Jardino, Patrick Quezon, if you're watching this, look at what happened to Shania Kiana. Makati was being flooded in her house. You know what happened to the, for example, to the dog of Shania Kiana? Oh, I mean not her dog. Oh, what happened to the computer? Computer anyway of Shania Kiana. Oh, what happened? Oh, not she doesn't have a dog, but she has a cat. So, you know what happened at her computer? in the PC that she using it. It was destroyed. It was destroyed because of flood. Water can destroy electronics. Oh, water because of the flood. Do you know what happened to Sir Calvin Cuevas? Even that husband of teacher Jessa Fernandez. He was affected of flood in Marikina. His computer was destroyed by a flood because of flood control ghost project of the pathetic fucking piece of shit Bongbong Marcos. You don't know what is the flood control. I say to Jardino, um, um, Patrick Quezon, both of you don't know about what happened in the Philippines because of Ghost Project and flood control. Both of you never watch the news. What happened about the flood control? The Discayas are the state witness. Even Henry Alcantara, including the other DPWH like Bryce Hernandez, they want to know what is really happening about the flood control ghost project. I say again, Jardino, Patrick Quezon, both of you should not join with the Marcos loyalist. I say to you, John Paul Enriquez, he's not a best president that pathetic Bongbong Marcos. He's really bangag. Bangag po ang bobong presidente na yan. That's why I say that he's bangag. Bongbong Marcos is bangag. I say to you, John Paul Enriquez, it will be happen if the corruption is starting in 2022 because of Bongbong Marcos. This will be happen in our future. Paano ang kabataan? That's what I said. Corruption.